What's up, YouTube? Kicks with Kam. Want to review on the smoke gray ones? Stay tuned. Yeah. Okay, before we get started on the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, because I got all the heat on my channel, and you guys want to stay tuned because I get all the heat. But let's go ahead and get into the review. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Here goes the box, a traditional Air Jordan 1 box, black with the red Nike logo. The tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. This is size 10. It's a personal pair. I wear a size 10. And the retail price, $170 of them Scripper ones. $170 for them Scripper ones. And the colorway reads white, black, light smoke gray. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Okay, let's go ahead and get to the shoe. Tag off. Okay, traditional paper, just regular paper. And then the shoe. Okay, let's go ahead and get to the shoe. These mud hard, got sway on the back. These remind me of the Unions, the Union ones collab. Got the red right here, black. These hard. White leather on the toe box. Mud guard, got sway, gray sway, light smoke gray. It got sway on the swoosh too. Let's get an up close and personal view of them so you guys can check them out. It has a black swoosh on the side panel. They got gray, light smoke gray on the mud guard. It has white on the toe box. It came with a pair of black shoelaces on the sneaker, white tongue, and then it has Nike Air, so you know this is a high. It got Nike Air and with the red lettering. The mud guard has sway. It's a nice suede, kind of remind me of the suede that was on the Turbo Greens. White on the midsole, and then they got the red accents with the wings logo in black. And these remind me of the Unions, the Union collab Jordan did. Let's get on to the outsole of them. It's black on the outsole, nice clean black on the outsole. Black on the outsole. It got sway on it, on the back of it. On the back of the shoe is sway, light smoke gray, red accents, and then it has the black sway up there at the top. This is a different type of Jordan. It even has sway on the swoosh. They slept on these, and I know the price on these are gonna go up. So stay tuned. I'm finna do it on feet. It came with an extra pair of shoelaces too, white pair of shoelaces. So yeah, stay tuned.
Got a head all in my lap. I just fucked in the trap. We just ran her like a lap. All she wanted was a sack. We keep bitches like a frat. Niggas down wanna jack. We little niggas back to back. We ran out some shooting craps. Up all night like fucking now. I'ma put this on the map. I'm full of this Hennessy. Fuck all of my enemies. Fuck all of my frenemies. These niggas pretend to me. I don't show no sympathy, even if they kidding me. I would never wipe a bitch, even if she enemy. Holding in some stupid weed, that's my favorite remedy. Tell them give me 50 feet, I don't like the energy. You not in my family, we ain't got no chemistry. You ain't heard our Kimberly, we ain't got no memories. You ain't heard my story, no bitches ignore me. They did not adore me, they tryna explore me. How them shit explore me, she was bad as glory. She was wet as Dory, she wanted an orgy. You cannot record me if you cannot afford me. We be on the run all night, it feel like we touring. Fell asleep on your mixtape, swear that shit was boring. Swear that shit was corny, and your body short.
Too fast. This 40 got a dick and I want.
But yeah, YouTube, that was the Air Jordan 1 light smoke grays that everybody slept on, and they sold out instantly. I got mine off Sneaker app, and they sold out instantly. So I know everybody slept on them because everybody was too focused on those bad boys right there. There's 2 Focus on the Toro 14s. And if you haven't seen my review, check that review out. I got it on my channel. And I know the market for those are going to be sky high. They kind of remind me of like the Union ones. So people be calling them the poor man Unions. But like the first day they sold out, they was already going for $300 and they only cost $170. So guys, tell me if these a hit or a miss. Is they fire or not? And if you're new to the channel, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe, man. And thanks everybody that keep been showing love. And thanks everybody that subscribe and that be commenting. You guys can comment like video ideas you guys want to see. And also check out some of my old videos. And follow me on Instagram at Official Cameron, or follow me on my my YouTube page at Kicks With Kam _. And like that, I'm out. Get.